Alright, picking it from where we left off. Basically, we want to do, using static shortcut lib dot shortcut. You know, here, let's do that. Except it doesn't work. Let's do that. Okay. Using library as shortcut lib dot shortcut. So now we can do library dot slime dot create stuff. Okay, I got pinged. Okay. But what I'm gonna do here is make a pre-made function for you guys, and this should be pretty simple. So public void. So here, first off, we want to have string object name, comma. Here, I'll just fast forward while I write this. All right. So basically, I got it down, I think, but I haven't tested it yet. But you know if it works, but it just gets cut out or not. But yeah. So the way this works is there's new slime ID. Well, here I'll explain. New slime ID is the slime ID you want to put in. So let's say public class custom IDs. And we want to do enum holder, a public static read only identifiable.id test underscore slime. We have this, and we're gonna do one for Plurt. All right, so let's break this down. Public static read only is what we want to put for all of these. Identifiable ID right here is any enum in the game or outside any enum at all. And what you want to do with what you do with this is you do identifiable ID and with just for example identifiable ID, and then we can do the name of the enum, so test underscore Plurt. This is a custom. We make this up. We want to put our own enum values into the identifiable ID class. For your reference, this is identifiable ID class. We have everything here. So we have this. Right? We can have like we can have gadget.id, for example. We can have pediadirector.id. It doesn't have to be a pediadirector. We can have vacuumable.size. The way you would know is, at least on my color palette, they would have this color. So if you press the inspect key, which you do, there's a key bind, but you would go to go to declaration or usages, click this, and if it says this right here, enum, then you can put any value you want into it by using this method. Don't forget to add this. So you have that. And it will give you warnings like this, but you want to ignore that. Alright, so create slime import. We want to do test underscore slime. Actually, no, custom IDs dot test underscore slime. However, if you want to shorten this, we can do using static test mod dot custom IDs. And then this will let us do this. Test underscore plort. And now we want to do base slime definition, so we have a different slime. So dot id dot pink underscore slime. I'll just have that a bunch of time underscore plort. So we've already gone through. So new slime ID and new plort ID are the ones we sit here. That's what we want to refer. That's what we want this to refer to. So our slime the slime we create will be assigned to this value. Same thing with the plort recurve, be assigned to this value. And this is the base. These are the basings we're using. So pink slime and pink slime again. Pink plort for plort. If it would just show me what I'm trying to see. You can see these are all variables in order, and the out keywords are the ones that we want to keep track of. So we have the slime name, so we can do test slime, test plort. That should work. And then we do food groups. So new, we do this, and we just scroll to the side. Then we do slime eat dot food group dot why is this here? I don't want that. I have to shut up. Basically, we have all these plorts I don't think is used. Veggies, meat, fruit, these are common ones. Ginger, tart on gold slimes. Is basically like eating slimes and stuff. So I'm gonna do basically all of these. So I would do I'm gonna do fruit and meat actually. So we would put a comma in between them. Ooh, which happened. Meat. And this is for an error. Why? Oh, yes, because of that. Comma. Favorite foods. So we would do new. That again. And I'm gonna say my favorite food will be identifiable.id. Okay, I keep getting pinged for real this time, not server like messages as pings, but no, I'm actually getting notifications. Comma, and then we want to do nothing because we don't have an icon yet, and do nothing again. Comma, color, comma, color dot. I'm gonna do green a bunch of times. I can't see because this is sort of that color. Still on that. Okay. Green one more time. Slime X size. I want normal. Plort price would be $9.99, $9.99. No, that looks better. And now for the important one. So we want to out var slime obj. And these are just any random names. Out var plort obj, comma out var slime app, out var slime pdf. Alright, here. This is everything, and you can see that's overly long. It continues not to fit at all. So what people would usually do in this scenario if it's too long is do this. This is everything. Be long. And I'm gonna be right back for a second. Alright, I'm back. Let's see. One of those pings is a ghost ping. But yeah, we have all of this, and you know, I'm not even gonna bother recalling this. Actually, yeah. I'm just gonna edit the function a little bit, and I'll just fast forward that as well. Alright, so I'm back. As you can see, everything's red now, but don't worry. Pings. So let's get this right after this. So I'm just gonna copy paste this 3 more times. Now everything's back to normal. And you know, this is all I'm gonna have you guys write for this episode. But if there's any bugs, then I'll just make you write more. Yeah, sorry guys. But yeah, what I'm gonna do now is build the project. Okay, I'm back. So basically, what you want to do is go to here, click add file, and you want to do mod info dot json. Enter. Alright, so I just made an example thing for us here, and we can get one from the SRMO wiki, but you know, I'll just put one in the description, probably, or link to the description. And this is what you need. All of this. But the most important step is going to properties, build action, and you want it to be an embedded resource. This one right here. Here. Also, to make things better, you want to go to assemblies. Go through all of these. Right click all of them at once. Click properties, and then as soon as it loads, you want to do copy local false, and then if you haven't built already, you want to go to delete all of this. Click Control B, and then as soon as you go here, you'll see that it has a PDB. But also, what I want to do here is go to debug symbols as embedded, and then just delete this. Control B, and there will be only one file here. Very convenient. You want to go to mods, build. Well, not uvarms. Alright, let's check this out. And we have here spawn test slime. Oh wait, here it is. It's here. It's here and it's real. So basically, make sure you get the function from GitHub, which will be in the description or next to the video, depending on how I send it. Because on YouTube it's in the description, I'm gonna send it to a few people on Discord, where the link will next to it will be the GitHub link. Alright, and this entire line will be, you know, this entire line is a class. We just want to put this here. So now we can do color32 dot get float. And here, this is what you want to do. So we have the script, which you can copy from the GitHub.